This woman thinks she's funny on a Monday morning already, right out of the gate, and it's not even 9 o'clock. Oh, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Coming back to you on my first official full week of doing my own thing with this girl right here. Yeah, just wanted to talk a minute before we go in. We're waiting on the Habitat Restore to open. Just want to say what a great feeling it is to crawl out of the bed at 6 a.m. because you want to, not because you had to. I guess some people can say, well, you're running your own business, so you had to, right? Well, yeah, true, not true, maybe so. But what I can tell you is no more anxiety medicine and no more giving a crap about anything except what we want to do for our business. And that's a great feeling. Got my Dunkin' Donuts rolling this morning. Didn't have to stand in line, didn't have to wait on the coffee to brew. Just got it, and now we're at the Restore. So yeah, I just wanted to share a few thoughts and feelings there, coming off of last week's roller coaster ride of making these decisions that we've made. Had a great weekend doing what we love to do, and we're gonna do it again today, and we're gonna do it the rest of the week, and we'll probably do it some this weekend. But we are having fun. So for all you people that stuck in the corporate world that dread Mondays, this is what it's like to be a reseller with a smile on.
True.
Got anything you want to say?
Good morning.
She's not real strong right out of the gate. It takes her a while to wake up. All right, we'll check back in with you here in just a little bit, let you know how the Restore went and let you know how the bins went. Stay tuned.
Chalkware, wall hanging. I don't see a price on that, but we can ask about it. There's no price on it.
Okay, I'll find it. There's one of those soap holders. Yes, paper towel. Oh, big bucket mouth, is what I call them.
That's what kind of drink? That's a big drink.
Drink, man.
What's this? Modern. Burgundy, the fine red wines. So like wine country. These are really cute. No markings on the bottom, but you can tell those are old. I think we could get those. What about this?
It's really pretty. Looks Italian.
Yeah. I'll get these two. Okay guys, we're back at home now and we took everything out of the vehicle. We stopped at the bins. We haven't been to the bins in probably 2 years, honestly, but so we went to the bins because I wanted to pick up some clothing. I had mentioned that in some previous videos, wanting to get back into some clothing just to have a just diversity in my store. So we picked up 62 items. The total spend there was $107.30. And so that made each piece that we picked up was $1.73 a piece. So that was actually really, really good. With us not having gone there in quite a while, the price had gone up. I think it was $1.25 when we used to go, and it was $1.49 this time, so a pound. So anyway, I'm just going to talk about a few things that we got. I'm not obviously going to show everything. I've got a lot of processing to do to get the stuff listed, so I'm just going to kind of talk about a few things. These two things are Columbia. They're men's Columbia sweatshirts. We got a stack of Maurice's jeans, which I always pick up Maurice's jeans. I always have, and they've always sold pretty quickly for me. So, and one thing that's kind of funny that I've always picked up were these, what I call, I don't know, kind of teacher wear, or you know, I know a lot of, I've seen a lot of teachers wear stuff like this, but these sweaters, and also with the characters on it, Halloween, you know, your Christmas sweaters. I always pick these up. This one's another, like a fall with the bears. Christmas, just, you know, all kinds of sweaters like that. I pick those up. I've always had really good luck with those. So those are, I've always sold pretty quickly for me. We got some jackets. I even picked up, I mean, like, this is Old Navy, but it's a puffer vest, Old Navy, and you know, it's just something that, you know, it's kind of a necessity for a lot of people in a lot of areas. It doesn't get real cold here, but, you know, I think that'll be a good seller. Just all kinds of blouses, jackets, vests, you know. There's a lot of workwear down here, and jeans. Also, I came across a bin that had quite a bit of like flannel lined pants, and like I said, it doesn't get real cold here, but I know in a lot of areas it does, and they were new with tags, so I got those because they were brand new. So those are underneath all these jeans, so those are down here. Also, we picked up some shoes. I've never sold a lot of shoes, just every once in a while I'll pick up some, just if I get a wild hair. So we got a couple of pairs. We got some women's Clarks, and then these Margaritaville men's sandals. But these on the back, they have the sticker on one of them. Appear to be brand new. So those will do pretty well. This was interesting. This was something that Scott found. It's a dress from the 1950s, it appears. And when I looked up this brand, Alfred Shaheen, I'm gonna try to show you this tag. It looks like a lot of these dresses go for $174, $200, $300, up to $500, just depending on, you know, which one you have and that sort of thing. So I think a lot of them are from Hawaii, and it could be that this designer's from Hawaii, but anyway, so we found that. So that was a really good find, you know, so that was kind of a higher end find. This is J. Jill. It's an open front sweater, just kind of a bread and butter type thing that I used to pick up, and so I grabbed it too. This one, it says Nike Air on the bottom. There's something in this one. Oh, it's just a roller. But anyway, but the brand is Arturo Chiang. Anyway, we just grabbed a couple of things from there as far as the shoes go that we haven't gotten in the past, just to try those. We did stop at Habitat before we went to the bins, and we spent $21 there, but 15 of the $21 was a personal buy for us. It was just a hose for an air compressor. So, but right here are the things that we got from the Habitat, just some figurines. These are old. These two are old. This one is a silhouette from Disneyland, probably $25, $35 for that. And then just a little candle holder. It was cute. And I always check their noses because always on these snowmen, their noses are usually always broken, and theirs weren't. It was only $1.50, so I grabbed that. And this is a chalkware piece, which I don't grab a whole lot of because usually they're kind of beat up. There's only a couple of places here on this one, and I thought that was really cute for a wall hanging. And so I grabbed that one too. And so yeah, we got a bunch of stuff today, including a desk I mentioned for Scott, because he's going to be moving to a different area to do his work, and that was kind of it. So yeah, we got a lot of processing to do, and again, $1.73 per piece. You cannot beat that. Going to the bins, it's crazy. I kind of had forgotten how well we used to do, you know, going to the bins, and how much money we used to make going to the bins. The only thing I will say about it is going to the bins versus going straight to the Goodwill, buying something off a hanger, you know, there is a bit more processing. So sometimes there is more cleaning and stuff like that. So you have to take that into consideration too. But when you get stuff as cheaply as we do, you know, I think that's fun. But anyway, I think that's it for today. Just wanted to show you what we got. And so again, this is a new channel for us. We really appreciate you guys watching us, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and just hit that bell notification so that you are made aware when we have a new video coming out. So all right, we'll see you later, guys.